Hi, let's talk how to get and use p constant in Python programming language. Pi constant is mathematical constant, so if we want to use it, we need to import math module. And inside our math module, we have that constant. If we type math.py, we will get the value of p constant. If you want to use it in further calculations, for example, you can store this value inside some variable, or you can use it everywhere by calling math module. For example, if you want to calculate 2 times p, you just will type 2 times p and you will get the results. Same thing is if you type 2 times math.p, we will get the same result. That's all in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.